Good morning, my name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Skills, and the topic for today's discussion is how your website is better than other popular websites. Ladies and gentlemen, popularity of a website majorly depends not on its overall looks, not on how beautiful it is at the first sight. It all depends upon how user-friendly the website is. So your website will be different from other people's website, or it will be more popular than other people's website only if it is more user friendly. Or in a more elaborate way, I must say that it should be highly interactive. Let me give you an example. Whenever a person opens your website, what he is looking for? He is looking for what type of business you are doing and what type of services you can provide to that person. So whatever the services the person is desiring related to that, the person is going to search your website. And after that, he will click on every link present on the website in order to find out that where is the point, where is that particular section regarding which the person needs help. So the popularity of your website entirely depends upon how user friendly it is. First thing, it must contain every type of material which is required for your customers. Secondly, your customers must be able to handle your website perfectly. Now, since you have designed the website, your organization has designed the website, and everything is under your control. But most of the things should be under users' control also, so that it becomes a user-friendly website and people are able to operate it perfectly. Without your support, without any technical support, a layman should be able to handle your website perfectly. And that is known as real user friendliness. And we must consider this thing because there are a large number of businesses related to our own business. Ladies and gentlemen, in this world, there is no such business which is absolutely different. There is no such business which is absolutely different. We cannot say that there is only one shoe manufacturing company in the world. There is only one cola manufacturing company in the world. There is only one atta and maida manufacturing company in the world. There are so many industries in the world which are involved in same type of business, which are taking care of their customers in a similar way. But the difference lies in how user-friendly you are. The organizations which are more user-friendly, they are more popular as compared to those organizations who are not at all user-friendly or who are less user-friendly. So your popularity among common people entirely depends upon how user-friendly your business is. And same is the case with the website. Ladies and gentlemen, website is a place where a person looks for any industry. It may be any industry in the world, it may be any organization in the world. Your first point of contact with any kind of common person is your website. People first of all visit your website in this digital age and they try to find out that what are the different sections present on your website, which are describing your different businesses, which are describing that what are different contact points inside your organization, what type of business you are doing, in what locations inside the country and even outside the country your offices are situated. Whether you are a local company or a global company, all these information common people come to know only because of your website. And if the website is not user friendly, people will not be able to operate it successfully. And if people are not able to operate your website successfully, how can they come to know all the details about you? Because if people are knowing half of the details about you, they will never be interested in doing business with you, or they will never be interested in taking services of yours. Unless they have complete knowledge about you, they will never trust you. And in order to provide complete knowledge to your customers, to the people who are directly related to you, they may be vendors, they may be distributors, they may be third-party partners, and above all, they may be your own customers. So if they are able to operate your website successfully and easily, then only you can establish your credibility as a good organization. Because ladies and gentlemen, everyone is not IT expert in this world. You cannot say that the people who are consuming your services, they all are IT experts, and they can easily handle your website. They can easily operate your website. Doesn't matter how complicated the website is. It never happens, ladies and gentlemen. People want easy things. People want those things which they can understand easily and which they can operate easily. That's why, in order to make your credibility inside any country or any part of the country or even outside the country, you have to make your interface user friendly. That's why make your website highly user friendly. Whatever your customers need, try to provide all those things right on your website. It should not be like your website contains little bit information, and for other necessary information you are directing customer to some other website. If you do like this, people will keep fluctuating from one website to second website to third website, and everything will become a jumble. If people are getting all the necessary things right on one single website, it will be very easy for people to operate your website and to get what they exactly want. And it will also establish your own credibility inside in the country, in the world. People will say that yes, this particular organization is highly user-friendly organization, and the website that they have developed, it is also highly user-friendly. We don't need to call representatives of the organization all the time. We don't need to call customer care service department of the organization all the time for all small and big queries. No. The website is so interactive that we can operate it very easily. So whatever problems we are having related to the services which the company is offering, we can sort out most of the problems just by analyzing the website. We don't need to talk to any customer care department regularly. We don't need to call any representative of the organization on regular basis that we don't know this, we don't know this, we are not able to operate this and we are not able to operate that. No, they have made their website so user friendly that very rarely we have to contact the representatives of the organization. The website is so user friendly. So ladies and gentlemen, if you want to establish your credibility as a good businessman, first of all, try to make your website highly user friendly, Make it more illustrative, make it more in picture form, and different sections must be clearly mentioned that how different sections are helping common people in different ways. So if your website is interactive, your business will only grow. It will never come down. Always remember this. That's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel, ER Piyush Pandey, Trainer BTech MBA, and please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.